Cuisinart Conical Burr grinder. A conical grinder actually crushes the beans, it doesn't chop them, and you get a much better result and you get optimum flavor from your beans. And it's really important to remember too that to get the best flavor coffee, you need to start with fresh ground beans. So the really interesting thing about this product, it has 18 positions of from fine to coarse. So you start out from espresso and you go all the way up to French press. And you adjust it by turning the hopper. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do 10. We're going to go on 10 to the 10 fineness. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose our number of cups. So the great thing about this product is you're only grinding up the amount of beans that you need for the amount of coffee you're going to make fresh today. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 cups on the 10 setting. And we're just going to put the beans right in the hopper. We don't have to worry about measuring anything. And this hopper holds up to ½ a pound of beans. So you can grind however much you want fresh every day. And then all you do is hit the start button. And there you go. We have exactly the amount of coffee that we need to make 4 cups of fresh coffee. The other thing that's great too is if you prefer for some reason, you can use the manual function, hold it down, and it'll grind whatever amount of coffee you want to do at that time.
Slowly rotate hopper to select grind size, from 1 for fine to 15 for coarse. Slide grounds container onto base until it clicks into place. Turn dial to desired time and press the OXO button to grind. The dial stays at your set time for a quick one-touch start. To stop grinding, press the OXO button at any time.
Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a ½ pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in. put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine just by twisting this all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful, fresh and flavorful cup of coffee by using the Burr grinder.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.